My heart went
fuck shit. Bitch, don't ask me who I be on. I'm just trying to hit it with my Gucci on.
Alright, so we're gonna start with something simple, and that's fixing my hair. I'm going out with a friend. Gonna have something to eat and just speak. The heck? Yeah, hold on. Struggling. Okay. So I currently have on 3 bundles in a frontal from the Crafted Queens collection. This is the transparent lace in a 13x4. Normally I like 13x6, but I had to humble thyself and go, you know, yeah, we'll talk about that later, okay? So I'm trying to see what other style I want to do with this hair. Gonna do my hair part down the middle. Before I sit there and make you guys waste your time, watch me part down the middle. I did not put my hair down in the middle. As you guys can see, I put that thing to the side. We're gonna start with our She Is Balm Wax Stick. We're gonna use it to define our parting. It's really great to use to help with flyaways, or whether you have leave out or you're trying to make your lace frontal more flat and more realistic. As you guys can see, I pre-parted my hair and I'm just applying it lightly onto the hair strands only, not on a lace, just the hair strands only. Hot comb check. So we're gonna check if our hot comb is hot. So today I'll be using the KENRA hot, is it called Hot Shine? Something Shine? Let me read what it says on the bottle. Boom, spray shine spray. We're gonna spray it lightly on the hot comb and you'll see the steam coming out, and that's how you can tell it is hot. Ayo, let me see how thick that hair is. So currently I'm just combing out my hair, detangling my hair with a detangling brush that I found at Walgreens for only $3.29. So you guys can see the fullness of the hair. Like I said before, the length on this unit is an 18-inch lace frontal, a 13x4 with a 20, 22, and 24-inch bundles. Look how full and luscious this hair is. Baby, wee. Now we're going back with our hot comb and lightly pressing it on the hair. And I repeat, lightly. If you guys want a better tutorial on how to use a Marcel hot comb, not the electronic one, because this one is totally different, because this thing could melt your scalp, please let me know in the comments below. As you guys could see, I'm lightly pressing the hot comb on the parting and also around my hairline. And yes, I do see my laces lifting, but that's one thing I love about the Bold Hold Extreme Cream, is that it has a way to reactivate itself. Once it does lift, or if you're sweating or you wet your hairline, all you have to do is tie your edges right back down with a satin or silk cap, or I meant wrap, not cap, and it'll just stick right back onto your scalp. So yeah. Dang, look at the scalp, it's so realistic. So right now I'll be using a satin scarf to tie down my hairline after I'm done pressing it with the hot comb. You're gonna use this hair tie. I found this at my local beauty supply store for only $1.99. So right now I am using a Mr. bottle that I bought from my local Sally's beauty supply store. It costs $10.99 and you just put that water in there, and I'm just wetting. Does that make sense? I'm just spraying my hair with water. So as you guys can see, one side is dry and the next side is wet, and I'm gonna go ahead and proceed applying just water into my hair right now. Now I'm going to be using this generic Shea Moisture Curl Defining Cream. It is a heavy cream and all you need is a dose. And when I say a dose, this is the amount that you need, a dose. And you're going to apply that through your hair and you're going to rake it through your hair. So we're going to go ahead and use our KENRA Platinum Gold Luxe One Leave-In Conditioner. And it's an all one and shine conditioner. So what this does is hydrate your hair. And we're going to just lightly spray it within the whole hair. And we're going to be fingering it through the hair. And we're going to follow up using our Cheat Argan Oil Silk Serum. And it's super, super good to hydrate the hair and to seal the hair. And that's how we're going to finish up this hairstyle. We're going to be passing it as a scissor motion, I think that's what it's called, or just passing it between your hands. So don't rake this through your hair, just pass it through your hair. This concludes our video of how to properly apply products into your hair and to make these curls look really hydrating. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. See you guys soon.
Oops, my heart went.
Fuck, shit. Bitch, don't ask me who I be on. I'm just tryna hit it with my Gucci on.